Hello folks, thank you for coming back again to Chef Armand's Kitchen. Today he'll be making blueberry banana baked oatmeal. We will now start putting our ingredients into the bowl. Start with the milk. And we're using oat milk instead of regular milk or almond milk. Okay. So we egg whites. Applesauce. Put it all in there. Vanilla. Vanilla.
What's that?
That's okay. Yeah, that's okay. The vanilla. Yeah. And your honey. You just scoop that honey. Just scoop out the honey. You need that spoon to scoop all that honey out of there. Oh, careful, you're gonna get all over yourself.
Okay.
Well, it's okay. You're cooking, so it's okay. Scoop it all out and put it in there. Okay. Okay, now whisk all the ingredients together. You can hold the bowl so the bowl don't fall on the table. Whip it up. Get your center. Next, you add your oatmeal.
What thing?
Get the whole thing. Put it all in there. Go a little bit lower though, not too high. There you go. Okay. Baking powder. Cinnamon. Oh, that's okay. Oh, it's fine. It's all right. No, it's fine. It's fine. Chia seeds. Flax seeds. Just stevia, 4 packets. You gotta rip them open and dump it in. Dump it right in there. Packet. Slippery. Yeah.
Yeah, we just stick stuff.
It's the honey you gotta look out there. It's all I can. It's only honey. It's all good. And your blueberries. Okay. Now you're gonna use a spatula and you're gonna mix all the ingredients together. Go into the bowl. Mix it in good. Smells good, right? Yeah.
Oh, can I have oatmeal tomorrow for breakfast?
Yeah, we can have oatmeal tomorrow for breakfast. Next, you're gonna place all of your ingredients together and place it right in this bowl right here. Put it all in there. Okay, now you're gonna smooth it all out. Smooth it all out. There you go. Yeah, there you go. That's how you do it. Smooth it all out. Small person over in the corner over there. Okay. Next, you're gonna take banana and just line it up inside. Take a piece and just line it up, pour around it. Line them all the way around. Now put the remaining blueberries, spread them out on top. Spread them all out. I'm just gonna shake it, just shake it around. And coconut sugar, just shake it up a little bit. Shake it like this. I'm gonna help you spread it like this. I'm gonna help you a little, just shake it. Try to sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Now you're gonna set the oven for 350 degrees. Any ingredients you need to know, please look down in the description down below, and we'll be right back. Here is what the blueberry banana baked oatmeal looks like after 30 minutes. Hope you enjoyed it. Please come back, and thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you.